Adjective plus of. Afraid of. For example, she is afraid of heights. Scared of. I'm scared of dogs. Tired of. He is tired of working. Aware of. They are aware of that. Jealous of. He is jealous of his friend. Proud of. I'm proud of you. Conscious of. I was conscious of her presence. Guilty of. He is guilty of forgery. Sick of. I'm sick of working. Stupid of. That's so stupid of me. If you like the video, let us know by thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Fond of. I'm fond of exercising. Full of. It's full of water. Capable of. They are capable of swimming. Ashamed of. She is ashamed of him. Supportive of. She is supportive of me. Frightened of. He is frightened of cats. Kind of. That's so kind of you. Made of. It's made of wood. In danger of. Pandas are in danger of extinction. Rid of. Let's get rid of this book as soon as possible. Certain of. I'm not certain of it. Generous of. That's generous of you. Hopeful of. I'm hopeful of his future. Conscious of. I'm conscious of the news. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Tap the links in the description for more videos.